Good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary Monday morning, June the 30th. Thanks for joining us this morning. We take a look at our trading day ahead. Programming this week, I will be on RFD TV this morning, 8:15 Central Time, previewing all the news of the day, including the reports that come out later this morning, talking about overnight news, weekend news. And then Wednesday, Thursday of this week, I will be on as well. Friday, it's Independence Day, 4th of July, and no markets are open that day. Regular trading hours on Thursday. Thursday night, of course, no markets whatsoever, and trade will resume Sunday evening. For the grains anyway. Livestock will be closed until Monday, July the 7th. So we'll look here at what's going on in our markets. It's June 30th, means it's the end of the month, end of the quarter, and that usually increases volatility. And I think that will be the case today in some of the livestock markets, especially, and grains today as well. But grains have a lot of news to trade off of already. Let's talk about overnight markets first of all. Look at a big drop in natural gas overnight, 5.5% losses overnight. Crude oil, very minimal minimal losses overnight. And stock market having nice gains, new highs once again. Gold is also stronger this morning, with silver down a little bit. Corn off 3 cents, while November beans are up 6. This is positioning ahead of the report, and I'll talk about reasons why here in just a second. And the wheat futures are mostly weaker here, 2 to 3 cents weaker. The Minneapolis spring wheat contract has moved off of the CME platform and is now on the MIAX platform if you are trading that today. So I just wanted to mention that happened as of the weekend. All right, let's talk news here and what's happening with the markets. And here, our website address, MidwestMarketSolutions.com, where you can sign up for our daily newsletters, our text service, Twitter feed, all of our social media. We encourage you to sign up for everything there. Weather maps, first of all, let's take a look at those. They are really ideal going into mid-July now. The second week of July has above normal temperatures, above normal precip. That's like a greenhouse effect for the corn and soybean belt. This is exactly as desired in a lot of areas. Over the weekend, it looks like maybe some hail moving into parts of Kansas, so hopefully it doesn't hit anywhere that hasn't harvested their wheat crop. And we'll get an update this afternoon on how much progress we are making on winter wheat harvest. So deliveries begin today. So deliveries against the July grain contracts include 200 soybeans, 643 meal, 7 bean oil, 10 Chicago wheat, 315 KC, 182 Minneapolis wheat. No oats and no corn were subject to any deliveries. Brazil's second corn crop was only 11% harvested. That's up from 7% last week, 30% a year ago, 15% on average. We have a long ways to go on this crop, and it is going to cut into U.S. exports. And no doubt about it, from now until at least August, September timeframe, we're going to see Brazil's crop hit the market, and our exports will start to slow down. They won't go away completely, but they will slow down considerably. This morning, big report is the quarterly stocks and acreage report. That's at 11 o'clock Central Time. So I have weekly export inspections at 10. This report, stocks and acreage, at 11. And then after the close at 3 o'clock, crop progress and conditions report. Corn acreage is estimated to be 95.35, just slightly higher than the March number. I think there's going to be a fairly big surprise in that number. Trade is bracing for a larger than expected number there. Soybeans expect to be 83.65. That's actually up slightly from March. There should be a surprise in this number as well. It could actually be smaller. I think that's why beans are higher overnight, anticipating maybe this acreage number to be a little bit smaller than the March numbers. And all wheat trending higher at 45.438 million, up slightly from the March estimate. Stocks numbers should be down sharply in corn, but up sharply in wheat, and soybeans expected to be nearly unchanged from 1 year ago today. Cash cattle trade last week, we were 230 to 232 live and 368 dress. That's $5 to $6 lower on a live basis, $8 lower on a dress basis compared to last week. Light to moderate trade in the south, 224 to 228. So we're going to call most of it at 224 to 225 actually. That's $3 to $4 softer than the prior week. And notice how June cattle narrowed up against that cash market. So up to 225 on Friday, which is right in line with the cash, and now it will go off the board today. In the box beef markets, choice added $1.26, but select was up 5.15. We should see additional strength through this week in the cutout values as it's a holiday shortened kill week. And after this week, then the boxes expect to start to fall as demand starts to soften. Have a great day, everyone. Good luck and good trading. We'd love to talk markets with you. This has been Brian Hoops. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.